my channel, The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one outlet called Riddhi Siddhi. This is an exclusive wholesale outlet. Totally 8 episodes are going to come. One episode will be saris and petticoat, and one more episode will be blousing and lining falls. And one more episode temple saris, blouse, navgraha. One more will be handkerchief and nets. One more episode will be shirts and dhotis, wedding sets. One more will be chudidar, shapewear and nighties. One more will be shawls and Shri Ram shawls. And this comes in a street called Empty Street near RT Street, which comes in Bengaluru, India. So I'm just showing you the landmark. The landmark is Banaras Sweet House right opposite to me. You can just see there is a red color board, Banaras Sweet House. So this is a landmark. His Google Maps is there in description below. So when you come here, you have to just get inside this street like this. Just follow the location. So when you come little bit forward, you can just check one left will come. This is the first big left from Banaras Sweets. So this is a left. Inside this street like this you have to go. When you come little bit down, you can just check this is the landmark, Mariamma Temple. So this one landmark. So right nearby this, his outlet is there, and one more landmark is this Ganesh Sweet House. You can just have a look. This is also one landmark, Ganesh Sweet House. And when you come here a little bit, then you have to take this left. This is a left. Inside you have to take. So when you come little bit forward, you have to take this left. This is a dead end left, you can just see. And here his outlet is going to come, Riddhi Siddhi exclusive wholesale outlet. And totally this 6 floors, you can just check. This is so huge. All these things you will get over here. You can just have a look. And this is the address. You can just have a look. And here his outlet is there. So this outlet you can just have a look. Very big outlet. As I told you, all these products, 8 products, whatever I suggested you, everything you'll get total wholesale outlet. How much a piece you want, 500,000, 2,000, 3,000, readily available. Like this, they have more 2 outlets. That also I'm going to show you. Number is on video screen. You can WhatsApp, video call them. They are going to send you all the detail. Delivery worldwide is there. Delivery charges will be there. And this one more the outlet only. You can just check stock. They deal in multiple products and just check this. Daily lot of parcel comes and goes to different part of India. Left, right, fully loaded outlet. And this one more floor and just check the stock and the varieties left, right. Such a huge varieties you are having. And right now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Vijay and he is his son Pratik. Hi sir, welcome to my show.
Hi.
Pratik, tell me something about your studio. What and all you'll get over here?
So we are wholesale traders in handloom saris, temple saris, blouse pieces, petticoats, ready-made blouse pieces, shirts, punches, all of the handloom varieties. And then we have curtains, we have wedding sets. So we have a lot more items.
Kerchief, nets.
Mosquito nets, kerchiefs, chudidars.
Nighties.
Yeah, so we deal with around 600 products.
Okay.
Including nighties, dupattas and everything. So basically we have everything what a normal person needs in a day-to-day life.
Okay.
And also a medium range of all the wedding varieties.
Okay. And where and all your products will go?
These are all pan-India and there are also people who buy from us and then they export it.
And how many years over for you in this business?
It's been 11 years now.
And how much they have to buy online and offline?
Minimum order value can be 3,000 and above.
And no single piece, no retail?
No single piece, no retail. Strictly no single piece, no retail. Only for the resellers.
What is the timing of your outlet?
So we open at 10 in the morning and we are open till 8 in the night. We are not available on Sundays.
And what time to what time they can call you, video call you?
Anytime between 10 to 8, that's fine.
Okay, and would you like to show some sample of your product? In this episode, what you are going to show right now?
So in this episode, we'll show you nighties.
Okay, and
So,
3 set, chudidar.
Chudidar sets we have.
And minimum
we
how much they have
nighties.
to buy, online, offline?
Minimum is 3,000 rupees. And
Okay.
nighties, chudidars, we have no other set-wise limits, but nighties we have limit of per set.
Can you show some sample of your nighties right now?
Yes, sure.
Any starting price you want to tell? Just starting
Price
price?
is 110 rupees.
Just 110, okay. And all prices are different.
Yeah, all prices are different.
And what size to what size we get? You can
So
just
there
show
are
straight.
two types of.
Okay,
There are 2 sizes. One is the free size, one is an extra double XL size.
okay. What fabrics will get in nighties?
So we have crush variety, which is
Okay.
the first quality.
Okay.
There is crush variety. Then we have cotton,
Okay,
and we have PC, which is
Okay.
polyester cotton.
okay,
We have mother nighties,
okay.
so which are very comfortable for feeding mothers.
And how much collections you have here for nighties? Like how many?
We
150?
have 15 varieties of nighties.
Okay.
Completely here. So every particular quality wise, per quality we have 2 to 3 types of nighties per quality.
And what do you want to tell about
There is
your
collar, there is without collar. So there are different patterns.
and size? What and all will get?
Size, we have 3 types of sizes. One is a normal fit,
Okay.
and then we have double XL, which is actually a extra large size,
Okay.
and then we have a 60 size nightie, which are extra long.
And in this collection keeps getting updated in how many days?
Collections are updated every month.
Okay. So if you're in business, you want to start a new business of nighties or 3-set chudida, or you want to buy for yourself also, just 3,000 you can come. And if someone wants 500,000 piece, they can easily get.
Yes, readily available. All this is only nighties.
Okay, those all are the collections of the nighties.
These
You
are
can just have
just
a
the
look.
display what we have. Storage is different.
Quality is amazing, designs are amazing, lot of varieties are there. You can just have a look straight.
All shoulder work nightie.
Very nice, beautiful. So you get printed plain also you get?
Sorry?
Plain
Yeah,
also?
yeah, yeah.
Okay,
We get plain also. You have mother nighties where
Okay.
there are zips here.
nice, okay.
So those zips
Feeding
are,
mothers.
Yeah. So those zips are concealed inside piping so that
Okay.
you cannot make out easily. That's a mother nightie.
Nice.
So we have dark, light, all ranges. Not like we just have one kind of color variety.
Beautiful color, this is nice. And starting once again. And so right now what you are going to show right now?
So right now I'll show you chudidar sets.
Okay,
So we deal in 2 types of chudidar sets.
okay,
2 types majorly, these are straight pants,
okay,
and we have patiala pants.
okay,
Patiala pants. So as per
Okay.
customers' comfort, they can buy. And in every kind of pant, every kind of chudidar, we have 5 to 6 brands what we deal in.
okay,
So we have every range available. Starting range is from 250 rupees and it can go up to 600 rupees also.
okay. And size what we'll get?
So size we have L, XL, double XL, triple XL, 4XL, 5XL. So up to 5XL. 5XL is the largest size what we have.
Okay,
I'll show you one piece. So
And
this
how
is
much-
exactly going to come exactly how the photo is.
Okay.
The whole piece.
cool, nice. And what and all fabric we'll get in this?
So we have PC,
Okay,
cotton,
okay,
and rayon. Three fabrics, and it may vary with lining and without lining,
Nice.
depending on the brand what you choose.
okay.
So this is the
Full set will come with bottom and dupatta.
yeah. So this is the top.
Okay,
So this is the pant bottom.
okay, cool.
This is the pant bottom. And this is the dupatta.
And how much collections you are having? Like 100 varieties you are
So
having? 50?
anytime at any given point of time in every design we have around 120 to 130 different types of designs
Wow,
available
nice.
in every brand.
Okay,
So 100 into 6, you can understand these many designs we have existing in our shop at every moment.
okay. And can you
So
show
yeah,
just?
I can show you. See,
Yeah,
this is
so
the
right
blue
now
color.
what we are going to show, we are going to show you like this only because it's not possible for him to open everything. So this one design you can just have a look. So this is also one more variety, you can just have a look. I'll just focus properly again. So this is also one more variety. So if you want to start a business of this 3-set chudidar, or you want to buy for yourself also, minimum is 3,000. You can WhatsApp, video call them. They'll send you all detail. Whatever is latest collection, latest trending, everything they have. Number is on video screen. You can WhatsApp, video call them. They'll send you all detail. Delivery worldwide is there. Delivery charges will be there. And recently also, some people they have shipped to Europe and USA. So that facility is also here. They'll export also. And this is also one collection. You can just have a look. And whatever is there, you can contact Pratik. His number is on video screen. He'll guide you everything in this. And 6 days they open, Sunday they off. And this is also one variety. You can just have a look. Beautiful collections, everything. That's the reason we are just showing, because in this you can make it out everything. And this is also one more varieties. You can just very nice. Just see colors, design, quality is very nice. So before wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having beautiful collections of chudidar and nighties. Will highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you love their collections. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.